Hey, to use Hotspot on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open Settings. Right now, go for Network and Internet, and now go into the Hotspot and Tethering. So now, you can use Wi-Fi hotspot, USB tethering, so you can share your phone internet by using the USB cable, but also can share your phone internet by Bluetooth. So you can decide. In my case, I'm gonna turn on the hotspot, the Wi-Fi hotspot. So click on the switcher and then tap right here. In this place you can find the name of your hotspot. If you click here, you can for sure change it if you want. Then you can find some security settings, but I would actually don't move it. Just don't touch it, leave it like this as default. Right here you can find the password. You can also change it like the name of the hotspot. Then you can turn off the hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. So if you need your hotspot to be turned on always, be sure that you actually switch this function off. And here you can find the speed of your hotspot. So there's also the fastest speeds, but it's not compatible with all devices. You have to be sure. So maybe the best option is to stay with the 2.4 and 5 bands. And here you've got the instant hotspot, but honestly not sure what it does because there's no description, it doesn't work, you cannot turn it on, so that's actually strange. But yeah, that's how you can actually set up the hotspot on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and by clicking here you can even view the QR code, so you can allow someone to quickly join into the hotspot. There it is. You can even use the quick share. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.